So for long-term view, I think I do hope the governments between the countries can be continually discussed and how to solve the issue. And secondly is, and from our industry view, we can just coordinate better and how we can just further enhance the technology to make sure the affordable energy to everyone.
Hi, this is Manu from Solar Energy, and today we are here at REI 2019. And with me is Mr. Alan, Managing Director, International Sales, Yingli Solar. Hi, Alan, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm also fine, thank you. Mr. Alan, please tell us something about Yingli and its products.
Yes, actually, Yingli is one of the world's largest solar module manufacturer. As of today, we have got around 4.5 gigawatt capacity annually. And our product is pretty various, and now we can produce both mono and polycrystalline solar panels. And the biggest advantage for Yingli is we can produce a bifacial module with untapped mono technology.
Okay. How do you see scope in Indian market?
Right now, the market is pretty huge. It's very demanding, and Yingli actually already entered into the market over the last 7 years. And given the market is keep booming, and we always consider India market is one of our most strategic markets.
Okay. Do you have any further plans for manufacturing in India as well?
Yes, of course, we are considering about that. Given the local demand is getting huge and bigger and bigger, so if we can set up the local manufacturing, that definitely can help us to provide a better service to our customer and also to save the logistic cost.
Do you find any difficulties also in working here?
Right now, we do have a small team, and they are allocated in different regions in India, mainly to provide the customer service. Yeah, and because of the module mainly coming from China, so right now our representative only for the day-to-day communication and help our customer.
What are your key markets right now?
And right now, actually, Yingli is quite globalized the company, and we have branch offices in Australia, in Europe, in USA, in Japan, and here. So the main market right now is still in Japan, like Europe and Australia. Now is also booming up. Yeah.
If we compare about India markets and US markets, do you find which one is the challenging one, competitive one?
To be very frankly, both the market is very huge market in terms of solar renewable energy, and but markets I think right now we are facing the similar some trade barrier. To be very frankly, because in India we have the safeguard duty from for the modules from China, and in the United States we are facing the similar things like the anti-dumping. I think although the market is huge and more and more solar module manufacturers trying to overcome this kind of trade hurdles, like we invest the manufacturer in local to avoid the safeguard duty. So for long-term view, I think I do hope the governments between the countries can be continually discussed and how to solve the issue. And secondly is, and from our industry view, we can just coordinate better and how we can just further enhance the technology to make sure the affordable energy to everyone.
Okay. What are new markets you are looking for?
Right now, there are a few emerging markets like in North Africa and the Middle East. All those countries in those regions already showing some signal, just they are going to booming.
So, can you tell us something about your product?
Yes, actually, our mainstream product in India at this moment is still the standard mono polycrystalline, which is already very commodity, and everybody likes this kind of product. Is already has long time experience in the industry, and now and more customer has been getting interested about the mono perk. Actually, Yingli also doing that. So this kind of technology is get a higher efficiency in terms of the module, how to say sorry, in terms of the module performance, and the biggest advantage for Yingli is actually about our untapped mono bifacial module. this kind of module not can only generate power from the front side, but the rear side also can generate power.
Do you have any future plans for bifacial as well?
Yes, bifacial definitely will be the future of the renewable energy, especially for solar, because it can easily increase the output by 30%. So that can be some kind of next generation solar panels, and it definitely will be a technical innovation as well.
How do you see here during REI 2019? What is the response?
I think the trade show is getting bigger and bigger, and more customer and visitor coming. Like this year, we visited over 1,000 of our just guests to the booth. So I think it's very good. Yeah. Hopefully we can continually just enhance our market exposure through REI.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.